Hey, it's me again. Comment down below and get that. Click it and that subscribe button. Hopefully today it is a nice day. I just started. What is it? Trying to think what day it is. Monday, yeah. Guys, I will be right back. Really fast. Here is our new bus. We organized my bedroom. Here is our 2H bus. Oh, I'm going to put this away. Here's our SO monster truck. Here's our SO monster truck right here. Got it from, I believe I got it from Dina's, yes. Alright, so I know you've been loving watching my videos, and actually one of my RC cars are broke. I want to give you a RC car, and hold on, I will be right back. Oh, as you can see, we got our R72 right now.
Is it not working?
This car is not working. I'm going to need the charger right now. I'll show you how to charge it. Open this thing up. Here is our little hole right here. Here's your wire. And here we go. Here we go. This is how we charge it. Let's turn it off. As you can see, I just kicked the camera. Alright, I'm sorry. Here we go. We're going to let this charge. And it only takes 5 minutes for that to charge. And when it's done, I'll show it off. Actually, I have a... This is actually not a RC car. I got it from, I believe I got it from Lion King. No, not. Actually, it is a army car. Yes. Oh, let me go get the army.
No, where are you going? Oh, I see, I know.
Alright, here's the army dude. Alright, this dude. Here we go. This is the dude right here. Let's put him in here. Alright. I don't know how to get this dude in here. Anyways, I don't know how to get this dude in here. I can't get this dude in. Dude. I'm just gonna put his hands up like he's arrested. Oh, arrested. Look, Mommy.
What? He's arrested.
No, I just put him in the army
Read his
truck.
rights.
I'm just putting him inside of the army truck. Dude, how in the world do we get these people in here? Dude, because I can't hold this man's butt for like 200 days. What? Why is this so difficult? Sorry, this man is still got his hands up. So in there. This is not a RC car. I can't show off anything else. Here's our mixer truck, which means this thing broke off of it. Actually, we got our fire truck. Look at this fire truck. It's right here. Oh. I'm not going to shut off because it's dirty. Where is it? What am I looking for? Please tell me. Here's the SOL monster truck. Here's a monster truck. Monster truck. Here's our monster truck. I just believe it. This truck. Let's go. It told me the thing we got. Dude. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Dude, look at it. Look at it. I'm not gonna show that little monster truck. Dude, you wanna see the dirt bike that I have? Oh yes. Here's a dirt bike. Here's a dirt bike right here. Comment down below and look at this dirt bike. You can buy them on Amazon.